12 amazing keyboard shortcuts that you need to know. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to share you 12 super useful Windows tips and tricks that can really make a difference in your daily computer use. Those are shortcuts and features that once you start using, you realize how much they can simplify your life. I know that sometimes we underestimate the power of shortcuts on the computer or laptop, but trust me, they are real-time savers. So let's get into and learn how to be more productive and efficient every day, okay? So let's start with Windows mapping. Have you ever felt like you are working with multiple windows open and everything just become a mess? For me, it happens all the times, and well, Windows has an amazing feature. You just drag a window to one side of the screen and boom, Windows automatically resizes it. But the cool thing is that it also gives you the option to choose another window to fill the other side of the screen. Separate a little video for you guys to see that if you are using the Windows 11. Notice right here that the windows, when you click the tab menu, it gives a lot of options to choose, and then it gives you an option to complete to fill the another part of the screen. This is great for anyone who likes working with two documents or websites side by side. And if you are using a lock screen on an external monitor, you can even snap more than two windows. Organizing everything this way makes your work so much efficient. If you are using the Windows 10, we have a similar option. Just click the tab you want, click Windows and arrow, and it will give another option to complete, and you can just press the one that you want. And if you are like me and always have a bunch of windows open at the same time, this trick is for you. When you have a lot of programs open, it can be a pain to click through each one to switch windows, like I want that, or I want that, you know, it's a little bit hard. So this command is for you. Windows have a simple solution, and it's the Alt plus Tab. Press Alt plus Tab, and now just let the Alt press it, and without letting go, keep pressing Tab to cycle through the windows until you find the one you want, you know. It might seem like a small thing, but once you start using it, whether you are studying, working, or even gaming and browsing the web, when you find the one that you want, you just let it go the Alt and it will open you. Another super handy trick is taking screenshots. Sometimes you just want to capture a part of the screen and not the whole thing, right? So instead of taking a full screen and then cropping it, pressing print screen on your keyboard, you can use this shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S, Windows plus Shift plus S, and that screen will show up. This lets you select exactly the area of the screen that you want to capture, so you can just paste it whatever you need. I can go on my WhatsApp right here and just press to paste. I actually forget that I have that, so I download this little thing right here, Lightshot. It's free, you can download it on Google, and it's kind of similar. It uses just two buttons to activate, so I use the Shift plus Delete, and works the same way as the Windows one that is already installed on your computer. And speaking of copying and pasting, did you know that Windows has a really cool Clipboard Star feature? So that's right, you can access everything that you recently copied. So how many times have you copied something and then redid it, and because you needed to paste something else you copied earlier? It happens all the time, right? But with this command, Windows plus V, you can see a list of everything you've copied recently and choose what you want to paste. It's such a time saver for anyone who needs to copy a lot of things from different places through the day, like tests, links, and everything else, even images. For me it's turning off because I don't want that, but you can turn it on and it always be here. Now if you need to record what is happening on your screen, whether you are making a tutorial like me, showing off a project, or even record some gameplay, Windows has a practical built-in feature for that too. Just press the Windows plus G to open the game bar. It works to record what's happening on your screen. You can start recording with just a click and then save the video to share or keep for later. I know a lot of people use external programs to record the screen. For me, like me, I'm using the OBS, Open Broadcaster, and it works fine because I also do live stream and stuff like that. But Windows has this beauty and it works really well. If you are someone who browses through your computer files like me a lot, then the next trick will save you for a few clicks. Okay, the shortcut Windows plus E. This opens File Explorer instantly. No need to go looking for the icon or navigating to it. Open File Explorer. These ways give you directly access to all your folders and files, whether they are on documents, downloads, or whatever else. Another hand feature is clicking open the apps pinned in your taskbar. If you have the programs that you use the most pinned there, by using the Windows plus number, you can open the app corresponding to its position on the taskbar. For example, if your browser is in the first position, just press Windows plus the number. Just press the Windows plus 1, and there we go. It opens right away. For me, it's the File Explorer, so I'm going to click and it will open Windows plus 1. It's pretty cool, right? Let's suppose I want to gaming and my Spider-Man it's on the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. So we are going to press Windows plus 8. That's pretty cool, right? If your desktop feel cluttered, this next trick is going to be amazing for you. It will be a game changer. Windows allows to create a virtual desktops, and it's amazing for separating work and leisure spaces. For example, press the Windows plus Control plus D to create a new desktop. To switch between them, using Windows Ctrl plus left or right arrow. The way you can have different desktops for different tasks and organizing your Windows so much better. And if someone suddenly comes in and you want to hide everything you have open, easy. Windows plus M. Let's open something that I have here. My File Explorer. Let's suppose that someone just clicking in your room when you are doing some nasty thing. You are watching the P word and you want to hide it from everybody. Just press the Windows plus M very quickly and everything will vanish from the screen. Okay. Another really useful command is task view. So Windows plus tab, you're going to see everything that you have open in your computer. Even what you did yesterday, last week, last month, everything that I watched, everything that you used, it will be here. It's pretty cool, right? But last but not least, if you are stepping away from your computer for a while and you want to make sure your data is secure, Windows plus L to lock the screen, it's great. I'm not going to do that right here because I'm recording and my computer will lock itself. But this is essential if you work in a shared environment or even at home, and to ensure that no one messes with your files while you are away, do that. Windows plus L. So what do you think of those tips? I hope I help you to become more productive and make better use of the Windows in your daily routine. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below about which of those tricks you already knew. If there's one that you use that I didn't mention, please leave a comment as well. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.